What's up? Good morning, you guys. Anyways, so get ready with me. Not really, but anyways, I'm going to laundry mat today. So, then I say welcome back to a new vlog. Anyways, welcome to a new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. But anyways, Bree's already in the car with her father, so I'm just making sure I got everything. So y'all know a couple weeks I washed my hand. And I was like, no, baby. We're going to the wash house this time around, okay? So, yeah. But anyways, guys, so before we went to the wash house, I stopped off to the grocery store to get me some coffee. Yeah, we went in there for some coffee and some canned cream. But I was like, hold on, creamer. Okay, I'm gonna get me some creamer because I was planning on making my coffee in the bus, and I did. I was done putting my clothes inside the washer. I made my coffee in the bus, baby. That's the good part about instant coffee, okay? You can make it anywhere, everywhere. And of course, I had to go to the baby aisle. Yeah. I was like, you know what? Let me get Brianna a few things as well. Let me get her some baby food. I got sweet potato and carrots. I was looking for carrots. I was looking for like vegetables, but they had a lot of fruits or whatever like that. But next time I go inside there, I'm getting my baby some fruits. Okay. I don't care what the doctor says. She's eating some fruits. Yeah. Anyways, guys, so I also got her some body wash as well because she ran out of the sweet body wash, and the only ones we have home is the Dove, and the Dove don't have no smell, and I can't let my baby be walking around smelling like nothing and all this heat. Okay, so we end up getting her some body wash or whatever like that. So, anyways, we're gonna cash out. All right. So I'm really trying to stick to giving Brianna solid food, like really giving her food. Like I'm really dedicated to it. So I made her cereal in the bus, okay? I brought that with me while she was going to the laundry mat, okay? I'm not playing, okay? I'm really trying to have give my baby less bottle, get her used to food. But anyways, so I'm just making her food, and Brianna, after she ate, she knocked out, okay? So this is why you can't send a man to do a woman's job. So y'all know Brianna was knocked out, okay? So I told him just to give me a few minutes to deal with Brianna. Just occupy the washers until I come. Throw a couple of pieces of clothes in each washer. Don't touch my clothes because I wanted to deal with my own clothes. So this man decides to put my clothes inside the washer, okay? He didn't separate nothing. Light was with dark, dark was with light. Anything was just all mixed up. And he was ready to wash them like that. And I came inside there and was like, what the fuck are you doing? So I had to take all my clothes out of the washers and sort them out. I had to separate all my clothes. The man didn't follow no instructions at all, okay? And the wash house was packed that day. He can't be trusted to go to the wash house by himself no more, okay? But anyways, me and Brianna decided to come inside the bus. So as you guys can see, I was sweating, baby. I was sweating, okay? I was like, you know what? Let's go inside the bus with the AC. So I made my coffee like I said I was gonna do. I made my coffee and I scrapped Brianna ass to the seat whilst I made my coffee, and I also made her a bottle, and we just chill inside the AC until it was time to go back into the wash house, okay?
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide.
So we're all packed up and ready to go. Turn on this AC real quick because it was like 900 degrees outside. Girl, listen to me. I didn't deal with them clothes when I reached back. I was like, fuck that. I just looked for a sheet and I made up that bed. It's something about the heat that makes you all tired and just fucking tired. Baby, I was done. Okay, so anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the morning or something like that because I'm done for the day. I'm done. Good morning, you guys. So anyways, this next day, I slept by Rihanna's father. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'm just about to make me some coffee. Um, the clothes is all mixed up, okay? So I'm about to go through them clothes in a minute after I'm done with my coffee. So I can sort my clothes out and take them home. Y'all, like, I don't know, like, I feel like I be fighting shit in my sleep because every time I wake up, like, I have, like, marks, scars all over my body, and it's getting really bad. It's getting to the point where it's like, look like I'm getting abused. Like, the marks are deep. Like, I be fighting in my sleep. I be fighting people in my sleep. And they aren't normal people. Like, look like fucking demons, okay? These things look like creatures and shit. It's getting so bad. Like, it wasn't this bad, but it's getting so bad to the point, like, I'm scared. Like, my skin is all fucked up. Like, the wounds are fucking deep. And I don't remember doing this to myself. But so I'm gonna be, I don't know if you guys like the voiceovers, but I'm gonna be doing like voiceovers here and there, you know. I like the voiceovers. Yeah. But I also miss the talking as well, but whatever. Brianna's crossed the road with her father. I enjoy these little mornings. You know, if I sleep here, oh, they coming back now. Talk too fast. Anyways, like I was saying before they interrupted, yeah, if I'm here, like I enjoy the little mornings when he take over, cross the road by his family, okay, them two go over and chill for hours. So I enjoy myself. I enjoy my company, okay? Being by myself. Because I don't really get it, okay? When you come from being single and free and just no children, no child, that's a big change. It's really a big change. And I had to adjust, okay? So I'm just gonna make my coffee, but let me tell you something, okay? Now, child, you know I be on TikTok, right? And people, I see a lot of mothers on there complaining about, or just speaking their truth about having children or whatever like that. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard up in these streets, okay? Being a mom is not easy, and I see a lot of mothers talking about how they kind of hate being mothers, or they hate motherhood, and whatever like that. Baby, after your first child, you should know if you want more children. You should know. I'm telling you, you should know. Now, the ones who be saying that, you'll be having 3 and 4 children. After the first one, you should know if you want it more. Okay? Now the ones that has one and complaining, yeah, I understand. Okay? You going back for more? No. Like, you know how it is with just that one child. And I'm not here to judge nobody. Because being a mom is hard for real. Okay? It is really hard. And sometimes you have no time to yourself. You're just so invested in the child or the children. Okay? You forget about you. And like, even being a housewife, it's not for everybody. Okay? You have to take care of the children. And sometimes people, men, they don't acknowledge that is work. That is a lot of work and it's a lot of hard work, okay? That's worse than a fucking job. It's worse than a job. Let me tell you something. If you know from after the first one, you don't want more kids, don't let no man try to manipulate you. Am I saying that right? To have fucking children. Don't allow it. This is your body. You run this shit, okay? You run that. Now, if you want, make sure when you have these children, make sure you have it for yourself. Okay? Make sure you have it for yourself. Not for no man. Not because he's my husband. And shit. But men don't know the strain that we put on our body having kids. And my body is still fucked up. Yeah, still fucked up from having children. I mean, what the fuck am I talking about? It's still fucked up from having a child. I still have pain. Let me tell you something. This is the next tip. People talk about money don't bring you happiness. Bitch, have money. Have fucking money when you have children. Okay, or having a child. I'm telling you. When you broke and you ain't got no money, who gonna watch them children? If you don't have a village or a strong foundation with your family, whereas people who you trust to keep your kids, if you don't have that support system, baby, you gonna be stuck with them damn children all fucking day. Nobody to watch them. No time for yourself. Too much of anything is bad. Okay? I don't care if you're being a mother, a wife, whatever, a girlfriend. Too much of anything is bad. We all need space. We all need time to ourselves and time to relax and time to meditate. I'm telling you, too much of anything is bad, okay? But if you suddenly has some good money, I would have paid somebody to come in and watch my baby with fucking cameras all around my house. In my house, around it. Okay? Just for a little nap. Just for an hour or two by myself. Just to fucking sleep. Just to sleep. Okay? That's all I want to do is sleep. I don't even want to go nowhere. You can come here and watch the baby. Why the fuck you think I still be on this side of town? Okay, you think it's because of the love? All the love we have? No. I want her to go with her father. Okay? When we're separated, that's 2 days out of the week he comes for her. When I'm here, he gets her. And I get my little break. Yeah. I am a little breaky. Like, we can, like, switch up. Okay? You take it for a couple minutes. Let me take it for a couple minutes. You know? That's pretty much it, too. You know what I'm saying? Money is important. Money is important. You need it. Okay? Nobody gonna be struggling for the rest of their fucking days. But, yeah. That is a rant. I hope you guys have a great morning, and I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, enjoy the little bit of time I have left to myself whilst Bananas is across the room with her father. Okay. Hey y'all, it's the next day. Brianna's knocked out. As you guys can see, I'm just here meditating and just relaxing and just chilling by myself. I enjoy these moments, just chilling and relaxing by myself. I don't really get time to myself. And I also was kind of debating whether I should get up and do some laundry or whatever like that. I just try and enjoy this moment because I don't really get time to myself. Brianna naps be like 10-20 minutes. So I really want just to sit there and just enjoy the moment, but I know I couldn't. So I got my ass up and I did what I had to do. Brianna's still knocked out. I put pillows all around her and I went into the living room and started folding clothes and get something done. Moments to myself be very short lived. Anyways, guys, so I'm just gonna be folding laundry and separating clothes or whatever like that, trying to get my basket ready to take back home.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Hey y'all, hey guys. Anyway, so I'm about to give Brianna a bar. This stuff that I bought, Motherful stuff the other day. Pretty good, nice and sludgy. I don't know if it's sludgy like that because it's a shampoo and body wash, but it's really good. It's better than them body wash what I had. It's really sludgy. It doesn't. I don't know. I feel like she should be cleaner. So that's what we're about to do. Alright, banana. I'm done. I'm from folding them clothes up. After Brianna's done from bathing, I know I can't bathe because, yeah, no, I can bathe. I'm just gonna scrap her house in the push. Yeah, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna scrap her. How's that bathe? I feel